Shubor nakaslem jong unong san Hima.
Conrad ke sangma menteri rangba kajila haka artarik jemang arhajar arpunriu habakali halor kachingya ki ka Voice of the People Party uloong ba Baroh ki donnya ka hok bandawa habakali Conrad uloong ba umdani ei ban kentho Eiei halor kani namar ba kam kapen I khambha banya ka ktien habayadei pat bar kajing Byrngem uba adan president ka VPP bantur bar wer ki pat ba Secretariat lada ki jingdawa kim udlong Conrad sangma ula jubab ba umdani ei ban ong halor kani ka benta.
The Voice of the People Party has started the public meeting across the state regarding the demands from the government. So what do you have to say on this, sir?
It's okay, everybody has a right to say, there's no problem in that. And I've always maintained that it's not about clarifying anything. Our works and our actions speak. We have always maintained in action, in deeds, in work, and showing our commitment towards the people. And that's how we have always maintained, and that's how I believe that politics should be. So it is more about what you do for the people and about the actions rather than just words. So therefore, I have nothing to say. Our words and actions will say.
And so one more thing, they have even threatened to come towards the Secretariat
again to
government.
protest
Government. As I said, I have no comments.